All right, we're at our second lab, car and ramp. This time we're going to see how the position of where we put the photo gate affects the speed of the car. So this is going to record the time that it takes for the car to travel from the front of the wing here, to the end of the wing, passing through at this point on the ramp. All right, so as it moves through, it's going to activate it as it goes through the front, and then stop it as it goes through the back. And so we're going to place our photo gate at several different positions, all right, to see how the position of where we're recording the time affects the speed of that, all right? So our independent variable this time is our position of the photo gate where it's recording our time. Our dependent variable is going to be the time it takes for it to travel through the photo gate at that position on the ramp. And we're going to use the time to calculate speed. Our controls are the things that we're keeping the same. The distance is still 5 centimeters. Remember, distance is this part of the car, the wing, all right, and that's 5 centimeters. That's not changing. The height of the ramp this time is going to be spot number 10 on our height bar from the bottom there. The mass of the car isn't changing, and the starting position. All right, so we're going to start with position 30. So that's 30 centimeters from the top right here is where we're placing our photo gate. 0.0327. This is at position 40 centimeters from the start. 0.0285. The photo gate is now at 50 centimeters from the start. 0.0253. 60 centimeters. Let's try that again. 0.0232. 70 centimeters. 0.0217. And our last one is at 80 centimeters. 0.0202. So you'll need to take a look at your lab paper. There's several things that you're going to be doing with this lab. All of that data will be given to you with your lab sheet. And there's several things you're going to be doing. You're going to be drawing some conclusions. You're going to be graphing some things. I'm going to take a look and see how you can match up what happens on the graph with what happens here on the ramp.